Hello, my name is Divyank, and in this video, we'll be creating a C# script to create a screen box in Unity. The script will allow us to detect if a player is within a defined area and activate the next screen accordingly. So without wasting more time, let's dive into the code. So I already set up the new scene in Unity with the 2-level designs. Now let's create a new C# script called Screenbox and open it up in your favorite code editor, whichever you like. I prefer the Visual Studio. Once you have the script open, let's begin by adding the necessary using statements. So inside our Screenbox script, we'll need a few variables to control the Screenbox behavior. Let's start by creating a Boolean variable to check if the player is detected within the box. Next, we'll need a layer marks variable to specify which object should be considered as a player. Now let's define two serialized fields to control the size of the screen box along the X and Y axis. These fields will allow us to adjust the size of the box easily within the Unity inspector. Additionally, we'll need a transform variable to represent the position of the screen box within the scene. Finally, we create a game object variable to store the reference to the next screen that should be activated when the player is detected. Now that we have a variable in place, let's move on to the update method. Inside the update method, we use the physics2d overlap box method to check if any player objects overlap with the defined screen box. If player is detected, we activate the next screen game object by setting its active state to true. Otherwise, if no player is detected, we set the next screen to inactive. Lastly, let's implement the onDrawGizmoSelected method. This method will allow us to visualize the screen box in the Unity editor. Inside of the onDrawGizmoSelected method, we set the color of the gizmos to red and draw a wired cube using the screen box position and the dimension. As we have completed the coding part, now we are going to implement this script in a game using a new game object. First of all, we need to create a new game object in your Unity scene. You can do this by right-clicking on the hierarchy panel and selecting Create Empty. Attach the Screenbox script to the newly created game object. To do this, select a game object in the hierarchy panel, and in the inspector panel, click the Add Component button, search for Screenbox and click on it to attach the script. Choose the appropriate layer mask for each player variable. This determines which object should be considered as the player for the detection. Assign the transform component of the object that will represent the center position of the detection box. Set the desired x-axis and y-axis values for the dimension of the detection box. Then assign the next screen object to the next screen variable. This is the object you want to activate or deactivate based on player detection. Thank you so much for watching this video. Level up your game development skills. Hit the like button and leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel to power up your knowledge and unlock the new tutorial content. Thank you so much for watching.